Okay, so I'm going to leave this investigation part up to you, and I really do encourage you to do some investigation. So what I mean by investigation is that you're going in and you're multiplying, so we're going to try matrix A and multiply it by matrix B. And so we see that that doesn't work. So A times B doesn't work. So let's look at A times B. So that doesn't work. And notice that A was a 2 by 3 and B was also a 2 by 3. So remember, we talked about order up here with addition, that we had to have equal orders. So obviously equal orders doesn't work for multiplication. So I want you to investigate this and see if you can figure out the rules for multiplying matrices. I'm going to go ahead and describe what they are, but I really think it's beneficial if you explore it on your own. Alright, so hopefully you've paused your video or stopped it and have come back, and now you're wanting to check. So looking at our matrices, I can say that I could multiply matrix B times matrix C. Alright, so matrix B is a 2 by 3 matrix, and matrix C is a 3 by 3. To multiply matrices, I have to have my columns of the first matrix be the same as my rows of the second matrix. And my result, my product, I'll call that BC, is going to be a 2 by 3 matrix. So this 2 by 3 is coming from my rows of the first matrix and columns of the second. So let me write down matrix B. Matrix B is, let's see here, 1, 5, 2, 6, negative 2, 0. And matrix C, 10, 0, 0, negative 2, negative 4, negative 3, and 1, 2, 1. Okay, so like we said, the rows of the first matrix are important and the columns of the second matrix. So my first element here is going to be made up of row 1, column 1. And the way that I find this is I find the product, the sum of the individual products. So 1 times 10, so I'm going to write this out, that's going to be 10, plus 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, and then 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to sum all these up to find my elements. So this first element obviously is going to be 2. My second element here is going to be this row and this column. So 60 minus 4, so that's 56, plus 0, 56. And now it's nice coming into this column because I start with a 0. So 0 plus negative 20 plus 4, that's negative 16. 0 minus 15 plus 2, minus 13. 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. And then 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. So let's test this out. This should end up simplifying to 2. So I'm going to have matrix B multiplied by matrix C. And I get, ooh, 64. What happened there? 60, ooh, 60 plus 4. Negative error. Okay, good to check our answers. 8 and 6. So that's how we multiply matrices. If you look in the typed up version of the notes, I've written out the multiplication of matrices in sort of a general formula, which may be interesting for you to think about and look at. Okay. I'm also going to leave this for you to do on your own. General matrices, so a general 2 by 2 matrix, for example, A, B, C, D. And if we're going to test associativity, then we would need 3 of them. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. And so you would want to look at this product versus that product. See which of these hold true: associativity, commutativity, and or distribution. Which of those are true for matrix multiplication?